Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 8i, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So I'm going to quickly lock the device and you'll be able to see that I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the screen lock as though I don't know it. So let's get started by powering off our device. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. As you can see, after a second you will see right here recovery mode, at which point you will be able to let go. For some reason it did disappear, so I'm just gonna let it wait and hopefully it will boot into it anyway. So as you can see right here, we have the language selection, so I'm gonna stick with English, and then you want to select wipe data, and from there format data, because if I go back you can see that wipe data does not actually wipe anything. It's the most useless option, stating that it wipes data but it retains contacts, messages and photos. Is basically making it redundant. The idea of contacts, messages and photos not being considered as data is just weird. So make sure you go with the format data instead. Now as you can see, it brings up this kind of code right here. This changes every single time you actually enter format data. So as you can see, if I click on it again, it's different now. And this is completely independent. It has nothing to do with any kind of like pin or pattern. It's just kind of like a confirmation thing. So let's just put in 3946 and it will pop up with this format data. Select format. We'll go through this quick process right here, at which point next thing it will give us a confirmation. There we go, there is the confirmation. So click on OK, and this will reboot the device and continue the process in the background. So this will take about a minute or so, and once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.